Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert an area chart on your WPS presentation on the mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert an area chart on your WPS presentation mobile, this is going to show. So first of all, just open a blank document show. I'm just going to add some slides here. So now I just click on this icon option. Now you just need to swipe down and you in this insert option, and you will see an option called chart. Click this, and here you just need to click on the top column chart. So just change this to the area chart option here, and you can just swipe sideways, so you can find a different type of charts here. So you can just choose which chart you just need and click this and click OK option. Now you can see the chart has been inserted. If you just want to edit the data, click on this edit data option. So here you can just edit the data by clicking on the categories, and you can just change the value and click after changing the value, click OK option. Now you can see the changes on your graph here, and also you can just switch the row and column by clicking here and click on this icon option. So here you can just change the theme set of the like color wise, and this is how you just insert the area chart on your WPS presentation mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.